Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy process on how to log out of your Netflix account on a computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to log out of your Netflix account, if you are done using the service for the day, then all you need to do is to go and mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right, and at the very bottom of the expanded menu you'll be able to see the sign out of Netflix button. Click on the button in order to end up in the main home page of Netflix. You'll now be redirected to the netflix.com main web page. That is how you can easily log out. If you ever want to log in again and access your account, you'll need to click the sign in button at the top right and enter your Netflix account's credentials. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Netflix after you are done using the service for the day. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.